dapat ang leader, tinutulungan niyang may angat yung mga taong nasa baba.
Kaya niya makita yung potential sa bawat tao, saka yung makikita niya yung mga possibilities.
A man of values and principles. I think that best describes a leader.
Someone na willing na matuto.
Someone who is selfless. You cannot call yourself as a leader when you are not capable of influencing other people.
Pagiging boses mo sa mga nire-represent mo. Kasi napakalaking bagay na ikaw yung piliin at pagkatiwalaan ng mga tao.
Vision, dapat yung student leader, especially mag-head sa isang organization, dapat may goals sa
yung pagka-genuine ng student leader. And then next, yung pagiging consistent niya is from the first day of his office or her office to the last day, pareho yung mindset, pareho yung kanyang integrity ng organ.
Being a humble student leader. Kung siguro cliche na nasabihin natin, dapat meron kang heart for service or anything. Pero yung talaga kasi minsan mararamdaman mo yung pagod ka na, yung bakit ko ba ito ginagawa, ano ba makuha ko dito. Pero at the end of the day, may isip mo kasi may iba eh. Kasi meron akong nakikitang saya kapag nakikita kong masaya din yung kapwa.
Dapat unconditional yung love mo sa work mo.
You cannot change that. But that's the best thing the students can do for themselves. It is to voice out. And I think that you have become a student and you have to understand them.
Pag nagkamali ka, okay, just step up, tayo ko ulit. Fall down 7 times, rise up 8 times, ganun lang.
Ang maganda kasi dito, mas mamomotivate ka na maging strong.
Kasi naniniwala ko na you turn pain into gain. So parang, di ba, experience reflected on is the best teacher.
Para sa akin, hindi niya ako ng tulong sa mga kapwa ko dito para tignan yung mga pros and cons ng mga naririnig namin at mga sinasabi ng mga tao.
Ako yung malapit sa tao. Gusto ko yung kinakausap sila. I want to know their names. Alam ko yung story nila. So nakaka-relate ako. I think yun yung gusto ko I want to be remembered as the president ng MASA.
If you come back to the faculty and then they tell you that you are a student leader, if actually just hearing that and making them remember your name, I think that makes you a student leader. And that is the legacy I wanted to leave behind.
Be an inspiration. For me kasi sa USC Junior Marketing Association, meron kami mga trainees. So sila yung legacy namin. Kung ano yung naituturo namin sa kanila at kung paano nila yung nilipat sa mga future trainees nila.
Providing projects that I think would really bring the student body to their limitless possibilities and opportunities, bringing them to borderless opportunities and experiences that would make specifically an artlet on being who they really are and bringing that identity. I think that's the best legacy that I can impart.
We should bring and be like Christ.
Becoming leader within yourself for you to lead others. Kailangan matulungan mo yung ibang tao para maging leaders din. Hindi kayong upo lang sa tabi, wala nang pakialam. You need to stand up. Take a side. Don't be neutral. You have to take a lead for yourself to make others follow you. To make others not just follow you, but make others lead themselves because you have affected them of what your goal or of what your mission is supposed to be.
I'm Solmel Florano.
I am John Dominic Castro.
I'm Arden Romanillos.
I am Nicole Salisano.
I'm Fam Bernateta.
I'm Andres David.
I am Rose Virasales.
I'm JP Goza.
I am Majan Lazo.
I'm Derek Otario.
I'm Zen Marca Irginit.
I'm a Thamashan.
And I'm a Thamashan.
And I am a Thamashan.
And I'm a Thamashan.
I'm a Thamashan.
And I'm a proud Thamashan student leader.